Hey, it's Sheldon with TigerTough here, and today I'm going to show you how to put these seat covers on the back seat of a Jeep JL. Let's get to it. Because there's not a lot of room back here and Jeep makes it so easy to take the rear seat out, the easiest way to put the cover on is with the seat out of the vehicle. So to take the seat out, you just flip this latch up and fold it forward. And then with the seat tumbled forward, you just grab this here bar down and rock the seat backwards. With the seat out of the vehicle, the first thing that we're going to cover is the bottom. And so I've got the seat bottom cover here, got all of the Velcros undone on it. And you're going to want to start working with the end of it that has all of these rectangles cut in it. So we're going to just start laying it over the seat like this. And I'm basically just making sure that the R seam here lines up with the factory seam around the seat. You can see it's already starting to take the shape of the seat. Now we're going to take the two seatbelt receptacles and bring them through this middle hole one at a time. Now I'm going to work these three flaps here between the seat back and the seat bottom. The easiest way to do it is with the seat back tipped partway forward. There you can see all of them are pulled through. The child safety latches have gone through these two holes here, which is perfect. Now we'll flip the seat over the other way and cover the bottom of it. So on the bottom side, I'm just going to run this flap underneath these two bars here. And then we'll fasten these three flaps to it. Pull them tight, because the tighter you pull these, the better your cover is going to fit. Now the last step on the bottom is to fasten the side flaps down. Just like that. Okay. Next up, we're going to cover the back. You're going to want to start with both of these headrests folded up. And then I'm just going to drape the back cover right over the back. And the headrest will just pop right through the holes in the cover. Like that. And now before I fasten anything down, I'm going to make sure that all the little straps that are a part of the seat come through the holes in the cover for them. So we've got one on each top corner here. And then we've got one in the middle here. And then one in each bottom corner. There we go. Next up, I'm going to fasten these flaps that go underneath the headrest here. And again, you'll want to tip the headrests forward. It just helps you get your hand and the strap through there easier. Like that. Now, just like before, these three here are going to go through to the back and get fastened on. There we go. Now I just fold the back forward because it makes it really easy to fasten these up. Pull them really tight and slap the Velcro together. And then to re-secure these, you just fasten them onto the little Velcro tabs that are there for them. The last step before we put this back in the Jeep is to cover the headrests. So I'm going to start by flipping it up. And we just pull the headrest cover over top of it like that. And I like to fold it forward to get the strap all the way through. Pull it tight, stick it up in there just like that. And there we go. We're ready to put this back in the Jeep. You put the seat back in, the seat will mount on the second set, so not the one in the front, but the one right behind it of the loops. And then you just rotate the seat forward like that until it clips in. And then you can tip it down, and when you fold the seat back up, it latches in.